right, so we have a cost of removing a certain pollutant from a pond, and it's estimated using this formula. Now, one thing I want to touch on is this piece of language, P%. So when we say P%, if that means 80%, then P itself is worth 80 because the percent is being stated separately. So when we say P% and we mean 80%, that means P is equal to the hard number 80 itself. And so in this situation, if we're comparing the difference between 90% and 80%, we're plugging 90 and 80 in for P. And if you imagine what happens when we plug 90 in here, we plug 90, and we plug 90 in here, 90, we'll end up with 10 on the bottom, and that 10 on the bottom can cancel out against the 0 in the 90 on the top and get us 9 times 100,000 as the total of this whole thing. So I'll jot that out real quick. We're going to have 100,000 times 90 over 100 times 9 minus 90, which is equal to 10. And since this is equal to 10, that means I can cross this out against a 10 up top, which would be the 90, the 0 in the 90. And that means we have 9 times 100,000, which is 900K. Now, if we look at the 80, 80 is going to work in two ways to make this fraction slightly different than the fraction we ended up with originally. And both ways are going to make it smaller. So we have $100,000 times 80, which is a smaller number on top, over 100 minus 80, which is a larger denominator than we had before. So this bottom part becomes 20, and that 20 will cancel out against the 80 to leave a 4 on top, meaning 4 times 100,000 gives us 400K. And the difference between 900K and 400K is 500K. And that's $500,000, which is answer choice A.